So the next thing we need to do in getting our first WordPress website going is to remove this banner that shows up here, because most of the time it's not going to relate to your niche. So what we're going to do is go back to the dashboard section, which again, if you ever get logged out, it's just yourdomain.com/WP admin. And we're going to go over here to where it says appearance, and what you want to select is header down here. So appearance and header. And you're going to see here it's going to ask for, it's going to incorporate some default images, and it'll ask you if you want to go with random, where it shows these images at random, if you want to choose one in particular, or if you want to remove the header image altogether. And that's typically the best option to go. And then you can show header text where your image once was. So I just choose remove header, and then we'll hit save changes. You could also incorporate your own your own header, which the suggested width is 1,000 pixels wide and 288 pixels for height in there, and that would be up to you if you want to incorporate that. So after you hit save, this is what it should look like. So you'll notice here it looks a lot a lot better just because it has the images there. The nice thing here, if you go ahead and add in like a affiliate banner code, like an affiliate banner or some sort of banner that goes with your niche, or you incorporate images in your actual blog post, then it's going to actually make your blog look a lot more alive too. So it's not just static, it's not just dead, black and white. You're going to have some color here, some images here. You'll have like a squeeze page over here. You're going to have more content on this side. You're going to have a lot more content here. So it's going to look a lot better. But that's again, a very important step for you to go with. The next thing that you can actually incorporate here, you notice this gray background. If you decide for some reason that you want to go with a different one, you can just go to appearance and choose background, and you can actually go with a different color option if you wanted to go that direction. So you could actually go with a different color scheme. If you wanted to do that. So you can just go here to select a color, and you could even pick a color that might fit you even better. So you could say, I kind of like a darker blue. So you could go to save changes, and you'll notice here now you've got a blue background. You completely transformed the look of your site, and that's just under here under appearance and background, and that's one of those things that's going to be up to you. Now if you click on default, it'll go back to where it was, so you can play around with that until you find background image that suits you, or you can just go with the basic background that they offer here out of the box, which is probably the best bet to go with unless you really know which color you have. So that's found under appearance and background. That's an optional step. But the next thing that we need to do is it's time to actually start posting content.